In 1982, Bukidnon State College of Malaybalay, Bukidnon, under the leadership of the President Jaime P. Hilior, opened their extension in Tandag known as Bukidnon External Studies Center, with the late Rufina G. Luna as college coordinator, utilizing the Jacinto P. Elpa High School as a venue for holding classes with college instructors paid in honorarium basis. There were 153 pioneering students of school year 1982 to 1983. In 1986, Bukidnon State College External Studies Center held its first commencement exercises with 51 graduates, 5 from liberal arts, 5 from Bachelor of Science in Education, 30 from Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, and 11 from Bachelor of Science in Commerce. It was the first time that the institution had produced a magna cum laude in the person of Mr. Ernesto Yu, AB English graduate. In 1992, 10 years after its foundation, Congressman Mario Cerati filed House Bill, which leads to its approval as Republic Act No. 7377, converting Bukidnon State College to Surigao del Sur Polytechnic College, and was approved by the late President Corazon C. Aquino on October 10, 1992. The creation of this learning institution integrates as the new satellites the Caguat School of Arts and Trade, the Taga River Valley Institute of Agriculture, the Surigao del Sur Institute of Fisheries in the municipality of Lianga, and Barabo National High School in the municipality of Tagbina, all in the province of Surigao del Sur. In 1998, 6 years after the conversion of Bukidnon State College to Surigao del Sur Polytechnic College, another bill filed by then Congressman Mario Cerati was approved for the conversion of Surigao del Sur Polytechnic College to Surigao del Sur Polytechnic State College through Republic Act 8628, dated April 23, 1998, with then Dr. Antonio S. Ang as the first president of SSPSC. 2000, this marks the integration of Surigao del Sur Institute of Technology, SSIT Cantilan, Surigao del Sur to SSPSC, making the said school the fifth satellite pursuant to Board of Trustees Resolution No. 34, Series of 2000 Cantilan. Another remarkable event in the year 2000 was the approval of the Board of Trustees of Resolution No. 05, Series of 2000, allowing the offering of 5 engineering courses at SSPSC main campus, namely Civil, Mechanical, Agricultural, Computer and Electronics, and Computer Engineering. It was in this year that the first Grand Alumni Homecoming was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Jeremiah Bokong. Mrs. Conchita Abines was proclaimed as Alumni Queen. In 2001, this year marks another milestone in the history of then SSPSC because of the unexpected retirement of President Antonio S. Ang, paving the way for the search committee to undergo painstaking selection process, which eventually led to the choosing of the new SSPSC President, Dr. Remigita C. Olvida, whose appointment was confirmed by the Board of Trustees with SHED Commissioner Carlito S. Puno as a chairman, pursuant to Resolution No. 14, Series of 2011. In 2002, in a period of 1 year since President Olvida assumed her post, she was able to solicit funds from outside sources, particularly from the CDF of Congressman Prospero A. Pichay Jr., 3.5 million pesos for engineering, chemistry and physics laboratory, and 1 million from PAGCOR to start the construction of Audiovisual Center. It was also in this year that the new office of the President was completed, with COA occupying the ground floor. 2002 was the year when the second Grand Alumni Homecoming was held. It was during this time that the presidency was turned over by Mr. Jeremiah Bokong to the incoming President, Dr. Anacito Ambray. Ms. Sol Verdudaso and Mr. Ponciano Almo were proclaimed Alumni Queen and Alumni King respectively. Year 2003 saw bright prospects for SSPSC. The administration, has managed to achieve its desired goals because things began to fall in place. With the assumption of President Olvida in the year 2001, the school had experienced an innovative style of leadership, paving its way to a more focused direction, that is, transforming the institution into a more veritable powerhouse of quality education. It is in this year that Congressman Prospero A. Pichay Jr. released $5 million for the completion of the Audiovisual Center and the acquisition of its equipment. In 2004, SSPSC stands proud of garnering SUC Level 3 during the regional SUC leveling conducted by Caraga Tripartite Team composed of CHED, DBM, and PASO. SSPSC application of $10.5 million for the construction of engineering and IGP buildings was approved by the Land Bank of the Philippines. For the first time in the history of SSPSC, the institution awarded the postgraduate degree on Doctor of Humanities honoris causa to Congressman Prospero A. Pichay Jr. during the commencement exercises. The year 2005 was a very remarkable year for the Surigao del Sur Polytechnic State College. It was this year that the college was evaluated, especially its performance in the fourfold functions of instruction, research, extension, and production. This was made possible through accreditation conducted by AACO. It had passed the accreditation with flying colors. This year, SSPSC Tandag has a total of 248 graduates, with DBM Regional Director Josel Obinsa as a keynote speaker during the 20th commencement exercises. It was also in this year that the 2.5